Grover Law Firm has a tremendous experience in handling motorcycle accidents and trucking accidents. As for myself as a lawyer, I've been practicing those areas for the last 25 years. I think the most important thing is that we are part of the motorcycle community here in Alberta and across Canada. It's really important for that person to reach out to a firm which has the experience, knowledge, and dedication to handle these kind of claims. At Grover Law Firm, we take pride in not only representing someone, but also giving back to the community and being part of the community, both in the motorcycle and trucking areas in our province and across Canada too. We're trying to make Canada safer with every case that we resolve.
I was in a hit-and-run accident. Someone that was traveling alongside a semi that I was in front of didn't think there was anybody there, swerved into my lane and cut me off, which then put me down on the road. When I was on the ground, I was fearing that this was it. It occurred to me when I started to recover after a couple of weeks in the hospital that this was so serious. I needed some advice as to where to go. My first reaction I had with Steve when I met him was I felt safe. He had a way of calming me and at the same time providing me the perception that I was in great hands. His team was there, that they would take me through the process. I would recommend Grover Law Firm to anyone who has had this kind of an injury or needs this sort of advice. They are the best firm that you could possibly go to in Alberta.
I was going through a green light when I saw a car coming towards the intersection and struck me dead center of my vehicle, which sent me 4 lanes over to the far left. Left me pretty shaken and with a few physical injuries. I realized that I needed to hire a lawyer after realizing the effects shortly after. Steve was very welcoming. He was calm and he knew how to deal with the situation. I would most definitely recommend Grover Law Firm. Not only is Steve good at litigating a case, he is sure good at riding a motorcycle.
When I was raised as a young man here in Calgary, Alberta, both my parents told me, you got to be accountable. And I think if someone unfortunately causes an accident, and I know accidents do happen, you need to be accountable for your actions. And that's the most important thing also, that we want to hold that person who caused the accident or that company accountable, just so that that person can be put back in the same position that was there before the accident. Here at Grover Law Firm, I think the most important thing is we want to give back to the community. We want to support the community. We want to leave a legacy, and we just want to keep the streets and the roads in Alberta and the rest of Canada safe.